this was the only thing I had looked through, and it was great. You know, I could identify everything that I needed to, and that was just, I think, because I was used to it. As you can see, it's well used. You know, the rubber piece is coming off, and yeah, it's had some use, this one. And then I got my hands on this, and yeah, it's unbelievable. Like, you know, unless you actually look through it, you can't believe how clear it is. It's, yeah, the way I can describe it is, it's like looking for your binos in daylight, but in a thermal image. That's how clear it is. My favourite feature at the moment is the rangefinder in it. You know, especially foxing at night, even though if you know the land, everything changes at night. Things look further away. It's just how it is at night. So that's a real bonus, especially fox shooting. You always want to make sure that shot counts. So yeah, that's a good thing. The zoom, it doesn't pixelate a lot when you zoom in, which is also great. You know, not many people use that. I mean, I don't use it much, but you know, you do get the knack of identifying things with the way they move anyway at range. And another thing which got my attention, I was quite unsure when this, or before it came, was the size. Because when you say binoculars, you think, oh, it's just going to be too lumpy around the neck. But weight-wise, between them, they're very identical. Yeah, and I was quite impressed with how sort of dinky the unit is, to be fair. This gives a crisper picture of what you're looking at, but I can still identify just as well this. I worked this down to a T. I could identify everything with this very well. And going to this, all it's done is just put that crisper picture, like every line's a lot sharper. So it will help in that aspect. You know, yeah, it will make you can decide quicker, I think, with this. Yeah, the battery life I've found so far is the same. Like stalking, it will do a morning and an evening fine. Saying that's 3 hours on each outing. But like if I'd done, you know, a morning and an evening and I went out fox shooting, it would need a charge some point between there, definitely. It comes down to as well, like what you're doing. I think, you know, if you're just like a fox shooter, this does it. You know, it's done me for years. But you know, if you've got the spare cash and you want to go all out and look bling, this is the one for sure.